Hello, thank you for taking the time to check out this demonstration. Just to quickly go over the basic architecture of our system that we have set up here. As you can see, we can have as many publishers as we want. A publisher is essentially a Raspberry Pi computer hooked up to as many as 16 sensors, all of which can be gathering data, and the Raspberry Pi will be transmitting it back to our centralized database in near real time. For the sake of this demonstration, however, we will just be using one publisher and one sensor. To simplify things even further, the sensor that we're using in this demonstration is a testing sensor that is only reading a sine wave with a period of 2 minutes. This will just make things easier to visualize once we get down the line in the demonstration. So, let me tell you what's going to happen in this demonstration. The first thing that will happen that you won't really be seeing is the publisher reading data from the sine wave generator. It is reading at a rate of 10 Hz for 10 seconds straight. It is then sending this batch of data to connector, which is then putting it into the database. At that point, the calculator is coming in, converting that data, and putting it back into the database with the correct units. After that, Inspector is going to come in and interpret the data and parse it for anomalies. Inspector at the moment is a simple temporary solution that we have that is detecting anomalies while our machine learning algorithm is still being developed. Inspector is constantly watching the data and looking to make sure that the data stays within normal bounds. If it goes outside of these bounds, it will trigger an anomaly. This data regarding this anomaly is then sent to Notifier, which then sends off the data regarding the anomaly to the proper people. What you're about to see is the same exact process, just from the point of view of the console for each microservice. First thing, connector receives the data, puts it into the database where calculator gets it and converts it. Then, Inspector goes through all the data, looks at it all, finds anomalies. If it finds one, tells it to Notifier, and Notifier will notify the proper people via email, as seen here. Now, this is a demonstration in real time. As you can see, it happens in only a matter of seconds. Keeping everything else running in the background, here you can see Grafana, our data visualization tool in which ourselves and other users can log in and see the data coming in real time.